Hello, I'm Rosie. I'm one of the co-directors from Articulture. This spring, Articulture and 11 partners from across Wales are launching Agor Allan, OpenOut, a pot of 15k for underrepresented artists to create and tour new outdoor arts in Wales. It's really simple to apply. Just get in contact with us and let us know your idea and we can help you develop it. The spirit of this opportunity is opening out into new ideas, possibilities, places, stepping outdoors together. It's an opportunity specifically for artists who wish to work in the Welsh language and those who identify as Black and Indigenous people of colour and those who identify as deaf and disabled. We're really interested in hearing from artists who already work outdoors, but also artists who've never worked outdoors before and would love to try it for the first time. We really welcome ideas that
take place in public space at the venue and festival partner locations.
Sy'n gallu cael ei mwynhau gan gynulleidfaoedd dwyieithog, Cymraeg a Saesneg, that can be enjoyed by bilingual audiences, Welsh and English.
Dod â phobl o gefndiroedd gwahanol ynghyd I gydweithio.
And can be created for a budget of up to £5,000. In addition to that £5,000, Articulture can support the artists chosen in whatever way they need along the way, creating and delivering the work. So that includes marketing, production, producing, etc. The 11 partners who are supporting this work are venues and festivals right across Wales, and together they form the Wales Outdoor Arts Consortium. So if your idea is chosen, the idea is that you would then tour that work to the 11 locations where these festivals and venues are based from July 2021 onwards, pending COVID restrictions. So if you've got an idea, just contact us and say hello. And you can do that in whatever form you would like. So you can email us, call us, text us, or contact us on social media on our Facebook or Twitter. But you need to make sure you do that by Friday the 23rd of April. But the sooner you do that, the better. The sooner you get in contact, because then we can help you start to develop your idea.